Hello everyone. Now I am starting with unpivote columns. Unpivot column, this operation takes a single column with multiple attribute columns and transforms it into two columns, one for the attribute names and another for their corresponding values. Then next, unpivot other columns. This operation allows you to unpivot all columns in the dataset except for the ones you specify. It's useful when you have many columns, and you only want to unpivot a subset of them. Then next, unpivot selected columns. This allows you to choose specific columns to unpivot. It's handy when you only want to unpivot certain columns while leaving others unchanged. Then next, Move tab. The Move functionality within the query editor allows you to change the position of columns in your dataset. This can be particularly useful for organizing your data in a way that makes it easier to understand or for aligning it with your analysis needs. Move left and right. These options shift the selected column S horizontally within your dataset. Moving a column to the left means it will be positioned before the column currently to its left, while moving it to the right means it will be positioned after the column currently to its right. Then next, Move to beginning. This option moves the selected column, S, to the very beginning of the list of columns. This means that after applying this operation, the selected column, S, will be the first column, S, in your dataset. Move to end. Conversely, this option moves the selected column, S, to the end of the list of columns. After applying this operation, the selected column, S, will be the last column, S, in your dataset. The next, the Convert to List functionality within the query editor allows you to transform a column of data into a list. Then next, Format. By using this, convert text one form to another form. Uppercase converts all characters in a text string to uppercase. Lowercase converts all characters in a text string to lowercase. Capitalize each word capitalizes the first letter of each word in a text string while converting the remaining letters to lowercase. Trim removes leading and trailing spaces from a text string. Clean removes non-printable characters from a text string. Non-printable characters are often invisible and can cause issues in data processing. This function helps clean up the text by removing these characters. Add suffix appends a specified suffix to the end of each text value in a column. Add prefix prepends a specified prefix to the beginning of each text value in a column. Do the practice with sample data.